Welcome to the Caribbean, a tropical paradise where your dream of studying medicine or dentistry can come true. Experience a world-class education while surrounded by sun, sea, and success. Medlink Students proudly partners with some of the Caribbean's best medical schools. Let's take a closer look at what makes them stand out. University of Health Sciences Antigua, or UHSA, is located in Antigua and Barbuda. UHSA offers a globally recognized MD degree with small class sizes and a focus on personalized education. Their partnerships with over 30 top universities and hospitals worldwide ensure exceptional clinical training opportunities. Ross University School of Medicine, or RUSM, nestled in Barbados, is part of the prestigious Big Four Caribbean medical schools. With a 98% residency acceptance rate, RUSM is a top choice for those aiming for a medical career in the US. St. George's University, or SGU, located in Grenada, boasts over 22,000 successful graduates practicing worldwide. With pathways tailored to every educational background, SGU ensures students are prepared for their medical careers from day one. Caribbean medical schools offer more than just excellent education. Here's why students from around the globe choose this region. Internationally recognized degrees, cutting-edge facilities and equipment, affordable tuition and living costs, and career opportunities in the USA, UK, and beyond. Medlink Students is your trusted partner every step of the way. From helping you apply to these exceptional universities to offering exclusive scholarships, we're here to ensure your success. Study medicine in a tropical paradise while embracing a vibrant culture. The Caribbean is where your education meets adventure. Start your journey to becoming a world-class doctor in the Caribbean. Sign up for a free consultation with Medlink Students today.